Hi, welcome to Stock Market channel. Today in this video we will see two companies. Both companies have announced its quarter results. They have given very wonderful results. So we will see one by one and try to analyze the future of these companies. So without wasting the time, let's begin video. The first company, Lumex Auto Technologies, you can see the results ended 31st December. So the total income stands at, it is in lakhs, let's convert into crores, 742 crores. So in last quarter it was 709 crores. In last year, the same quarter it was 450 crores. So you can see from year to year, so almost nearly double. You can say 60 to 70% rise in the net revenue, and even from quarter to quarter you can see the increase in the revenue. So in both quarter to quarter and year to year increase in the revenue, you can see the ended 9 months it is 2091 crores. So in the last year for same 9 months ended, it was 1372 crores. So you can see almost more than 60% rise in net sales. So you can see the expenses, and let's directly move on to the net profit of the company. So net profit stands at 47 crores. The same in this uh, year it was 27 crores. So last quarter it was 37 crores. So from 27 to 47 crores, almost nearly double. The revenue doubled and the profit also doubled. So from quarter to quarter also there is increase in profit. You see 9 months ended, it is 115 crores. In the same period it was 87 crores. So total overall year it was 111 crores. So that means it has in 3 quarters it has already crossed the profit of last years. So if it gives net loss in the next quarter, then only there will be decrease in the profit. Otherwise 100% definitely sure the profit will increase from last year's to the next year. So it has given very good results, you can say. So EPS you can see it is 5.35. In the last year it was 3.43. Even in the last quarter it was 4.02. So from year to year there is a very good improvement. Even quarter to quarter there is a improvement. So you can see the 9 months ended EPS, so 12.61. In the last year it was 10.89. Overall wonderful results have been submitted by Lumex Auto Technologies. Definitely it belongs to DK Jain Group. It's a big company, so you can have a study and keep in radar. So the second company announced its quarter results for the quarter and 9 months ended 31st December 2023. The overall revenue stands at 191 crores. So in the last quarter it was 122 crores, and in the same period last year it was 123 crores. From year to year 120 to 191 crores. From quarter to quarter 120 to 191 crores. There is a very good huge increase in revenue from year to year and quarter to quarter. So if you see the 9 months ended 428 crores. In the last year, this year 543 crores. So you can see in both 9 months there is a very good increase in the sales, that is revenue of this company. So let's see the expenses, and let's directly move to the net profit for the period. So the net profit stands at 44 crores in this quarter. In the last quarter it was 11 crores. In the last year it was only 6 crores. From 6 crores to 44 crores. For year to year you can see there is an 5x, nearly 5x growth, and even from quarter to quarter also 11 to 44 crores, nearly 3 to 4x growth. So it has been, so you can see the 9 months ended also from 18 crores to 67 crores. So you can, in the overall year profit stands at 23 crores. So it has given superb results, I think. So, and one more thing is in this quarter, so there is an inclusion of other income also. So other income stands at so if you minus all those things, then also it will be very good profit. So you can see the EPS stands at 4.69. In the last quarter it was just 1.1. In the last year it was just 0.7. So you can calculate how much times it has increased its EPS. So in the 9 months ended also it was 1.86, and this quarter 7.02 in this year. So the overall year of last year stands at 2.36 EPS. So stellar results we can say. So definitely the name of this company is Piccadilly Agro Industries. I think you all know that recently it has gotten international award for its brand, that is Indri. So for Indri it has got international award. It's into the major liquor manufacturing business, that is distillery. So you can definitely have a study and keep in radar. So not any buy or sell call from my side, just I am making all these videos for educational purpose. So by saying this, we'll end today's video. We'll meet on next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.